What is up everyone, I'm Alan and welcome back to Healthy Kitchen 101. Today we'll be bringing you something really beautiful. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill for indoor use. This model is FG551 and you need to pay attention to that because this brand has a lot of indoor grills. Normally we'll go through the packaging first, but as you can see, it has a lot of great illustrations, but also a lot of information to go through. So we're going to be unboxing this first and then go through the parts and features. Now, let's get to it. Okay, opening the box. Seems very secure. Good quality cardboard. Okay, here we have an envelope. Inside is an instruction manual, a recipe book, and quick start guide. This side. Right here we have the grill. Brush for cleaning. A very thick cardboard pad. Put this there. And we have our grill right here. And below is another cardboard pad. So I'd say the packaging is very high quality and can be saved for storage later. Okay, this box aside, bring our grill to the center, remove all the plastic, and reveal our beautiful indoor grill. Brush go here, all the papers, and the grill. Very thick, very high quality steel or maybe cast iron. Need a closer look for that. Okay, the entire thing is maybe around like 20 pounds or so. So not too heavy, but not too light. I think it's very easy to pick up. No slip whatsoever. So I'm gonna remove the seals. Open it up. You can see some more accessories. We have here the air fryer basket, wrapped in some cardboard box and some padding. Very nice. The tray. Very fitting. And some more padding for the interior of the grill to avoid scratches while delivering. Very thoughtful. And here we have the thermometer used for monitoring the internal temperature of food while cooking. Very nice. This is a very rare feature that you don't see in a lot of the competitively priced indoor grill. Okay, now let's try assembling every accessories in real time. Let's go. Okay, so I have the pan right here. Put it in. Very snug. Steady. Here we have the air fryer basket for crisping. Okay, not the tightest, but it stays inside the pan, so everything should be good. Okay, now pull this out and place in the grilling plate. Okay, as you can see, it fits a lot better, and the quality of the material, very nice. Okay, so that took no effort at all to put everything together. So now let's go through its features on the control panel right here, shall we? Okay, close it. Let's put this here so that I can see the screen. Turn it on. Touch screen. So I don't know if you can see, but we have air crisp, roast, grill, bake, broil, and even dehydrate. So this means that the temperature range should be low enough for like maybe around like 100 degrees Fahrenheit to be able to dehydrate foods. Stop. Okay, now let's do a test run. I'm gonna try grill just because it's what we want. Okay, so we have high, medium, low. Timer on the right. And if you choose roast, you have the temperatures. Let me see what's the range. 250 degrees Fahrenheit up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So the temperature changes a little bit slowly. I mean the control, but it should be fine. Now let's look at the temperature range for dehydrate. Okay, so as I thought, it goes as low as 105 degrees Fahrenheit up to 195 degrees Fahrenheit. So very good. All things considered. Now let's see bake. Okay, also as low as 250 up to 400. So each cooking function will have a different temperature range. So refer to maybe the instruction manual or the recipe book for that later when you use this grill. Now, let's try bake and let's try 400 degrees F to see how fast this grill gets up to temperature. Okay, let's bring it to the middle. I'm gonna use the food thermometer that comes with the grill. Plug it in right here. I'm gonna use a separate oven thermometer to keep track of the internal temperature of the grill. Place it somewhere in the middle. I'm gonna put in the food thermometer that comes with the grill. But since we don't have any food right now, we're gonna use a oven clamp that we have to place it in, just for safety. Okay, put it there. Oven thermometer, close it. Tightly sealed, snugly. As you can see, once you put in the oven thermometer, you see that you are able to choose between a preset temperatures for different foods like beef, chicken, fish, or manual like we're doing over here with the bake features, 400 degrees Fahrenheit and 10 minutes. Now, let's give it a go. So the purpose of what we're doing is to see how fast the grill preheats to the correct temperature and if the outside gets any hot. Listen to that. The fan is very strong. This is what's gonna help you prevent the smoke while cooking. I mean, minimize the smoke while cooking. Okay, so it took a few minutes to preheat, but as you can see on the screen, it says add food, so I'm guessing that we cannot actually get it to temperature without any food inside. I say that's a pretty cool safety features. So now let's open it up and see what's the temperature inside like. Okay, so even though I chose 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it only got up to around 300. But it could be just because we don't have any food inside. As you can see, this grill has a splatter shield that I didn't get to earlier. This is to cover the heating elements to make sure that the least amount of grease get onto the heating element, and that would minimize the smoke while cooking. And it's removable as well, but I can't touch it right now because it's hot. Okay, the thermometer is safe, but this part right here is not cool to touch. It gets quite hot, but at least I can still touch it, unlike the metal tip right here. It's really hot. Okay, now I guess that the grill was able to detect that there was no food inside because of the food thermometer. So I'm gonna test removing this and see if the grill can still detect that there's no food inside. Okay, close it. Yeah, so the grill continues to heat up. So I guess it's true that the grill was able to detect that there was no food inside thanks to the food thermometer. So that's actually a great safety feature. Okay, so as you can see, the preheating time is completely separate from our input timer. So that's actually the correct way to do it. So now, 5 minutes has passed. Let's open this up and see if the inside of the grill got to the correct temperature. Open this up. As you can see, once you open it, the power gets cut immediately, stops running. Yeah, you can see within 5 minutes, the internal temperature of the grill got up to 400 degrees F without fail. So now let's see what the infrared thermometer tells us. Very hot indeed. Of course, the numbers on the infrared thermometer should be a little bit lower than the actual internal temperature of the grill because it's going through the air as a medium. But that's very good. Okay, so let's quickly recap everything we've got so far with this Ninja indoor grill. Okay, so accessories, very high quality. The exterior, very good plastic, high quality plastic. And I'm hoping PPA free, nice sheen, good ventilations, clear to see control panel, firm handle, cool to touch. Inside, everything, stainless steel, high quality, very good. Now, what is true that this indoor grill is in the highest price group. We actually got it for a lot cheaper on sale, so don't worry about that. And it's always a good investment if you're interested in, grilling meat indoor. This is all we have to say for now. And we will dive into all the details, all the recipes, all the foods in our in-depth review video in the near future, where we also go further into the design, the usability, and of course the performance while cooking foods of this Ninja indoor grill. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss the video when it comes out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!